The Galaxy Fold and Pixel Fold are leading the pack when it comes to dual-screen phones, setting a high standard in the market. However, they aren't the only players in town. In contrast to the flexible panel trend, Microsoft Surface Duo 2 offers a unique dual-screen experience. Now, despite its innovative design, the book-like Duo is showing its age as it approaches the 2-year mark. When can we expect the next iteration in the Microsoft Surface Duo 3? Let's explore what information we have on that front.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
The fate of the Microsoft Surface Duo 3 remains uncertain, adding a layer of complexity to the question. Despite having a dedicated fan base, the Surface Duo series has struggled to gain commercial success. The initial speculations last year hinted at the development of a Surface Duo 3, but a January report from Windows Central introduced a twist to the narrative. It suggested that the project might have been abandoned, albeit not entirely. As per this report, the Surface Duo 3 had reached its final stages and was ready for production, only for Microsoft to decide on scrapping it altogether. The silver lining is that Microsoft is not completely stepping away from the realm of Android phones, but instead, the company appears to be taking a step back, regrouping and exploring alternative approaches. Rumors suggest that Microsoft is currently in the experimental phase, working on various Android devices. This includes devices with conventional displays as well as a genuine foldable device slated to be the successor to the Duo series. Although the foldable Surface phone may eventually adopt a new name, internal sources reportedly refer to as the Surface Duo 3 for the time being. It's worth highlighting that Panos Panay, a key figure in Microsoft Windows and Surface hardware leadership, parted ways with the company in September. While this departure does not necessarily spell doom for the Surface Duo plans, significant exits like this one sometimes coincide with substantial shifts in strategy. When it comes to the potential specs and features of the Microsoft Surface Duo 3, whether it unfolds into a foldable or remains a dual-screen device, it's anticipated to leverage the latest Qualcomm processor, likely the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, slated for release later this year. However, it's worth noting that the original Surface Duo debuted with an older flagship chipset, and some foldable phone brands have opted for last-generation chipsets. Microsoft might consider a similar approach. Now, beyond the processor, details remain sparse. There's a possibility that the design could draw inspiration from devices like the Honor Magic V series or the Vivo X Fold. Alternatively, the Surface Duo successor might maintain the dual-screen experience on the software side, offering a device akin to the Duo 2 but with a single foldable display. Unless the information from Windows Central turns out to be incorrect, it appears that a genuine dual-screen Surface Duo 3 might not be in the cards. If Microsoft is indeed shifting towards a new foldable design, the earliest we could expect to see this device is late 2024. According to the Windows Central report, the foldable Surface phone has been in the prototype stage for approximately a year, indicating that it has been under development. Speculatively speaking, this timeline should allow for the device to move into production by late next year, although this is based on our interpretation of the available information. Had the Surface Duo 3 retained a dual-screen display, it probably would have maintained a price range of $1,400 to $1,500. However, the pricing strategy for the foldable Surface Duo is less transparent. In the United States, the primary competitors for this device would likely be the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Pixel Fold, both starting at $1,799. Microsoft would presumably aim to align with or slightly undercut this pricing to establish a competitive foothold in the foldable market. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.